Home insurance in Wolfforth, Texas. Growing number of homeowners have fallen victim to foreclosures and are now renting. Those renting do not qualify for home insurance that protect tenants in a home. Insurance companies also has coverage plans called renter's insurance. Renter's insurance is for those who rent and covers loss or damaged personal items. It also provides limited liability protection for those who get injured in the home. Some landlords require them to have renter's insurance, but by law it is not required. The rental insurance does not cover protection to the actual structure of the home and dwelling because the homeowner's insurance covers that already, but their insurance policies does not cover your personal items. For example, if the home that you are renting in should have a flood, leak or fire, the homeowner is responsible for fixing the damages to the structure of the home, but items in the home that belong to the tenants are not covered. This is why it is important to have renter's insurance to protect you as a tenant. Depending what is stated in the policy to be covered, some of the items that are damaged or stolen can be replaced or reimbursed back to the policyholder. Some items like furniture, electronics, clothes and jewelry can be very expensive to replace if anything were to happen. Many people do not realize how inexpensive rental insurance can be. Depending the area you live in, the amount your items value it and how much deductible you can afford to pay, renter's insurance can be anywhere from $200 to $350 a year. If you live in a high crime area or your personal property values more than, then the policy will be a little higher. A deductible is the amount you are responsible to pay for the lost or damaged goods before the insurance company covers the rest. The more deductible you pay, the cheaper the policy will cost you, but overall the renter's insurance policy are affordable to most people. There are two types of payouts, ACV and RCC. ACV will pay you the value of the property at the time it was damaged or lost minus the value at the time you bought it. RCC covers the amount it would actually cost to replace the item. You only get the money if you replace the money, and there is a limit on how much you receive, and premiums are higher, but overall it is a much better policy to have for expensive electronics. It is important for you to remember that if you do decide to get renter's insurance, you should keep an updated list of your belongings and receipts of purchases for the insurance company. An easy-to-fill-out inventory sheet should be given to you for updates on such items, and copies of these documents should be kept elsewhere instead of in the home in case of a disaster to a home and loss of documentation.